letters. Second one, who is conducting the test? Third, discuss the following in groups of 4 or 5. First, why is closed footwear, that is shoes or socks, not allowed in the examination hall? Next question. Third B, why has the institute not allowed electronic gadgets in the hall? Third C, what other measures can be taken to prevent copying? Question number 4, why is this news published in newspapers? Next, passage question 1. Guess the meaning of most highly paid, revealed, or signed films. Next, CD question number 2. What words are used for the following in the news item? Film industry, something on which a lot of money is spent. So the answer is film industry, that is Bollywood, something on which a lot of money is spent, that is big budget. Next question 3. Guess why Ant is a big budget movie. Next question number 4. Can you think of other reasons for Ritika's decision? Next question 5. What will be Ritika's reaction to this news? Question answers from most dangerous time in history paragraph. First, guess the meaning of mankind. Question number 2. Which words or phrases in the news refers to the earth? Third, which of the following problems do you believe is the most serious? Next, question number 4A. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live. Next is we will have built colonies amid the stars. Next, fourth C. Right now, we have only one planet. Question number 5. Professor Hawking wrote about the problem in The Guardian. Why is it given as news in other papers? The activity part, second one C. What other items do you find in a newspapers beside news? Next, passage question answers. Quick cure for all ailments. First, guess the meaning of flock and followers. Second, why is there a question mark in the heading? Third, which part of the news is reliable, which part may not be reliable? How do we learn that? Next one, will Miri Baba and his followers like the news? Next, question number 5, what should you do when you fall ill? In the last question, question number 6, you have to write the story in short in your mother tongue on Miri Baba's powder cannot cure disease. Next, we are going to solve English workshop. First, write the own impression about the news items given A, B, C and D in the table below. Question number 2, write a letter to your class teacher or the principal of your school to make any one of the two following request. So students, आपको यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन दिए हैं, तो दोनों में से आपको लिखना है लेटर इसमें. तो यहाँ पर देखो फॉर्मेट दिया है लेटर का. फर्स्ट है आपका सेंडर एड्रेस, देन आपको डेट दिया है नीचे, उसके बाद डेजिग्नेशन एंड एड्रेस लिखना है और सब्जेक्ट इसमें मस्ट होता है, सब्जेक्ट लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. उस पर आपको 1 मार्क या 1 मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं. उसके बाद सैल्यूटेशन और उसके बाद मेन पैराग्राफ रहेगा, उसके बाद क्लोजिंग, सेंडर एड्रेस एंड सेंडर नेम. See the last question number 3. Hold a discussion in the classroom about the differences between printed newspaper, radio news bulletins, TV news bulletins. Discuss the merits, demerits and popularity of each. तो आपको मेरिट्स और डीमेरिट्स यानी फ़ायदे और नुकसान बताना है प्रिंटेड न्यूज़पेपर के, रेडियो बुलेटिन और टीवी न्यूज़ बुलेटिन. ये आपको क्लासरूम में करना है ड्यूरिंग द इंग्लिश पीरियड, और यहाँ पर आपकी टीचर हेल्प करेगी आपको इस डिस्कशन में. तो एक ग्रुप मेरिट्स बताएगा एंड सेकंड वाला डीमेरिट्स बताएगा.